Okay, so I decided to split this in two pieces, so here's the second half. This division is actually simpler, which is kind of why I waited to do it at a second time. All you do for synthetic division is you take the coefficients. Notice. Once again, notice the signs come down. And then the value that goes in here is whatever makes this equal 0. So, once you have that, usually, there's a nice black line drawn here. And I'm going to show you this way I've been doing it. So you bring that number down. And then you multiply by that number, which is makes 8. 2 times 4. That's what you're multiplying by, sorry. And to bring it down, you have to add. Which gets me 5. Negative 13 plus 8 is 5. Then to go back up, you multiply again. So that's 20. Multiply to go up. Which gets me 160. Okay, then your answer is this. You take whatever power you have here and drop it by 1. And then you just continue down. It goes from squared to x to that. And that last number is your remainder. So that is your answer. Notes here. Oh, don't freeze up on my computer. There we go. Hopefully. There we go. All right. I guess I only have a couple left. So I'm going to do this one and then this last one, because that last one actually requires a trick that I need to explain to you. So 2, 3, negative 8, 11, negative 14. Bring that number down. Always bring the first number down. Remember to go up, you multiply. Add going down. Negative 2, sorry. Multiply gets you negative 4. Add going down 7, multiply going up 14, and this one works out perfectly, so there is no remainder, but your answer would still be 3x, drop the power by 1, so squared, minus 2x plus 7. That is your equation, that is your answer, and I'm going to ignore them because they don't need in my room that bad. This one requires you, since there's a 2 in front, the first thing you have to do is divide everything by 2. So 4, 2, 1/2, and 2. You will also notice there is no cube. So I actually need to put a 0 where the cube would usually go. Okay? So then you still do what makes that equal 0. So you still use negative 1/2. And then you do the math again. Bring it down. Multiply going up gets you 2. No, negative 2. Add going down gets you negative 2. Multiply going over gets you 1. Add going down gets you 3. There will not be a lot of these. I'm not even sure I gave you any on your actual work. But this implies negative 1. That gives you a positive 1/2. So you get 2.5. So your answer becomes 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 with a remainder of 2.5. That is your answer. If you have any questions, we'll do more in class. You probably won't do one of those because, well, we don't see a lot of those usually. Otherwise, have a good evening. I'll see you soon.